In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text in Notion. Notion doesn't have a built-in center alignment button like traditional word processors, but there's a quick workaround you can use that looks clean and professional. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to create centered headings, quotes, or any text you want right in the middle of your page. First, open the Notion page where you want to center your text. Click on an empty line, or create a new block by pressing Enter. Now, instead of typing your text right away, you're going to use a special Notion command. On that empty line, type a /, then the word equation. So it looks like this, /equation. As you type, Notion will show a small menu of options related to equations. This is because Notion supports LaTeX, which is a formatting language for mathematical expressions. We're not going to do any math here, but we're going to take advantage of how Notion centers equations by default. From the menu that appears, look for the option called Block Equation. Go ahead and click on Block Equation. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also press Enter once Block Equation is highlighted in the drop-down. This will create a new equation block that is centered on the page. You'll now see a grey input box where you can type your equation. Instead of typing math, simply type the words you want to appear centered. For example, you could type, "Welcome to my Notion workspace," or any title or phrase you need. As you type, you'll notice that the text is automatically centered in the block. Because this is technically an equation block, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The text will use a slightly different font style than regular body text, and it won't wrap in the same way long paragraphs do. This trick works best for short phrases, titles, labels, or emphasis lines, rather than long paragraphs. If you make a mistake, click back into the block to edit the text. You can also move this centered block around the page, just like any other Notion block, by dragging it using the handle on the left. And that's it. By using the Block Equation command, you can quickly center text in Notion and create more visually balanced pages.